Hello. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050 mobile GPU launched in 2022 on the Ampere architecture with 2048 CUDA cores, 64 Tensor cores for DLSS and ray tracing, and 4GB GDDR6 RAM on a narrow 64-bit bus. Typical TGP ranges from 30 to 70 W depending on the laptop model, making it power efficient for thin and light gaming notebooks. In 2026, its rasterization performance sits between a GTX 1650 and RTX 3050 4GB, but DLSS keeps it relevant for 108p gaming. Recent benchmarks from February 2026 YouTube tests on laptops like Asus TUF A15, Lenovo Lock, and Acer Nitro show solid results in sports titles. For example, Valorant, CS to Fortnite, and League of Legends hit 150 to 300 FPS at 1080p high settings. Overwatch and Rocket League exceed 120 FPS. Older AAA games like GTA, Red Dead Redemption 2, and God of War run at 60 to 90 FPS on medium-high settings. In demanding 2024 to 2026 releases, performance drops, but DLSS quality or balanced mode rescues it. Cyberpunk 2077 with RT medium DLSS quality averages 45 to 55 FPS. Alan Wake to low DLSS balanced around 40 FPS. Black Myth Wukong medium DLSS 35 to 50 FPS. Indiana Jones medium low DLSS 40 to 60 FPS. Without DLSS, many hover at 25 to 40 FPS, requiring low settings or 720p. 3D MARK time spy scores average 3,500 to 4,500 points. Pass mark G3D around 7700, confirming entry-level status. Compared to newer GPUs, its weak RTX 3056 GB is 40 to 80% faster. RTX 4050 doubles or triples FPS in modern titles with 6GB RAM, handling high textures better. The 4GB limit causes stutters in RAM-heavy scenes like high-res textures in Starfield or Forza Horizon 5 Ultra. Weaknesses are clear for gigabytes VRAM bottlenecks. Future games in late 2026 and 2027. No DLSS 3 frame generation and weaker raw power mean constant tweaks for AA titles. Poor longevity, only 1 to 2 years of comfortable modern gaming. Is the RTX 2050 worth buying in 2026? It depends on your needs and budget. Yes, if under 700 or mainly sports, older games, or casual play. Value, portability, and battery matter most. Great for university work, programming, light editing, AutoCAD, and occasional gaming. Use DLSS aggressively at 108p and its fine models like Asus TUF A15, Lenovo LOQ, or HP Victus offer good builds. No, if you can add 150 to 400 or for RTX 3056 GB or RTX 4050, those provide 50 to 200% more performance, better RAM, and 3 to 4 years future-proofing for high-medium 108p without frustration. Serious gamers or long-term use should skip. Its Steam survey shows it's only 0.48% usage, signaling decline. In summary, the RTX 2050 survives in 2026 as a budget entry point thanks to DLSS, but it's the bottom rung. Playable 108p with compromises, not ideal for demanding titles. If price gap to better GPUs is large and needs are light, go for it. Otherwise, save for more power. Take care.